Good morning mga ka-feel good. Anong ganap natin for today's video? Ito, hindi pa nakakasuklay. Kakarating ko lang sa school. Kakain ngayon ng breakfast. At ang ating ulam for today is itlog. So, hahatiin ko pa to. This is for breakfast and this is for lunch. At aside from itlog, favorite ko, tuyo. So, it's tuyo. At the best way to do this ay magkakamay tayo.